Everyone's talking about AI, but no one's looking at where it's actually building value in Web3. This isn't about hype, it's about real use cases where blockchain and AI are solving critical infrastructure problems such as security, data ownership, decentralized finance, and beyond. If you care about where capital is flowing next, this is where your attention needs to be. Centralized AI development today is dominated by closed ecosystems such as OpenAI, Google, Meta, but decentralized AI marketplaces flip that model. These platforms let developers publish, monetize, and collaborate on AI models or datasets permissionlessly without big gatekeepers or cloud intermediaries. Investors can now back tokens powering this infrastructure, such as SingularityNet, Ocean, Fetch.ai, at a stage similar to AWS before the cloud boom. You're not just investing in models, you're investing in the rails of open source AI. DeFi markets are 24/7 and chaotic. Human traders miss volatility shifts, front-running bots, and subtle trends in liquidity flows. AI models are already being trained on real-time blockchain data to auto-detect patterns such as whale movements, token velocity, flash loan attacks, and adjust positions accordingly. This isn't hype. Some of these strategies are outperforming humans and even traditional quants. For investors, it's access to hedge fund grade automation without the legacy barriers. Most smart contracts are static. They execute on predefined code and nothing more. Autonomous AI agents are dynamic. They observe data flows, make context-aware decisions, and execute on-chain actions like rebalancing, governance participation, or liquidity migration, all in real time. Think of these agents as digital asset managers or virtual AI assistants that work on a 24/7 without salary or downtime. Investors now get access to passive income strategies that self-optimize over time. DAO governance is broken, participation is low, and decisions often lack informed analysis. Now, DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. AI tools are changing this by analyzing treasury performance, sentiment, and community engagement in order to propose high-impact governance options. Some DAOs already use AI to suggest proposals and auto-adjust rewards. This is the transition from speculative DAO tokens to professionally run community-owned organizations. For investors, this means more predictable returns and operational resilience. AI needs data to learn, but centralizing that data exposes firms to regulation, hacks, and ethical risks. Federated learning changes the game by letting models train across devices and institutions without ever pooling the data. Blockchains coordinate this in a verifiable, trustless way. For investors, this is a major unlock for sectors such as healthcare and finance, where data is gold, but privacy is everything. You're backing a system that trains smarter without sacrificing security. Billions have been lost in DeFi hacks such as FTX, and manual audits haven't kept up. AI models now continuously scan smart contracts post-deployment, identifying those logic flaws, re-entrancy bugs, and unexpected behaviors before they're exploited. This transforms security from a checkbox to a living system. As consumer protection rules tighten, you've got the Clarity Act in the US, protocols with AI-monitored security will be favored by regulators and capital allocators alike. You're investing in security as a service embedded on-chain. DeFi lending is mostly over-collateralized because there's no trust layer. But AI is changing that by analyzing wallet history, transaction patterns, protocol usage, and peer reputation to assign credit scores. Fraud signals like flash loans, duplicate IPs, or proxy routing are flagged instantly. With this, DeFi platforms can now offer smarter lending options with lower collateral requirements, and investors benefit from improved capital efficiency and lower protocol risk. KYC, Know Your Customer, is a regulatory requirement that we're all familiar with, but also a friction point that centralizes user data. AI combined with decentralized identity changes that. DIDs allow users to verify biometrics or documents on-chain without sharing data beyond what's actually required. The AI ensures validity, the blockchain ensures trust. Platforms stay compliant while users keep control. For investors, this opens regulated, scalable DeFi to global users without custodial bottlenecks. Most NFTs today are JPEGs with a story. AI transforms that into IP with life cycles. NFTs can now evolve based on user interaction, generate content, or function as virtual assistants. We're seeing games, brands, and creators tap into this to build characters that live, respond, and create. It's not just about art anymore, it's generative brand equity. And when these NFTs start holding royalties, licensing, or data rights, you're investing in programmable digital IP with cash flow potential. And lastly, AI requires massive compute, mostly controlled by NVIDIA and cloud monopolies. But decentralized compute networks like Render and Akash flip that model, offering a tokenized layer for GPU access. Now, this means that anyone with spare compute can actually contribute, and developers can tap in for training at a fraction of a cost. This isn't just about AI. It's about the infrastructure of future internet economies. Investors here are getting exposure to the protocol layer beneath everything that's coming. So what's the call to action from today's episode? We've just walked through the 10 decentralized AI use cases that are no longer future theory. They're happening right now. From peer-to-peer AI marketplaces to those autonomous agents running DAOs and AI-monitored smart contracts, the convergence of blockchain and AI is reshaping how we interact with value. So here's the question for you. Which one of these use cases are you watching most closely? Drop your answer in the comment section. I read every response. If this breakdown saved you hours of research and gave you clarity, like the video, share it with your friends, family, or team at work, and subscribe for more high signal analysis on Bitcoin, blockchain technology, real-world assets, and decentralized AI infrastructure. Let's ride the next wave together. Until next time.